Sanibona bafethu uvane lo I'm sure senizwile ngalombiko lokuthiwa uJose Rivero usecelile kwiOrlando Pirates uthi asheshe ahoxe kwisikhundla sakhe sokuba uhead coach weOrlando Pirates kulandela nje after iOrlando Pirates iluzile kwiKaizer Chiefs Soweto Derby yadilapha eThekwini ngo2-1 yabo ekufikeni kwale indaba lezi zifike nje ucoach vele wayekade secelile vele ukuthi ucela ukuhamba asheshe ashiye yabo menikhumbula kahle uJose Rivero wasayina ngo2022 wesayina iOrlando Pirates uzocoacha le team le usenama cups ayi5 3 MTN 8 2 Nedbank Cups uhlulekile kuyiwina iNedbank Cup against the Soweto rival okuyiKaizer Chiefs wathi mase kuphele uJune uzohamba ashiya iOrlando Pirates yabo hlulekile kuyiwina iChampions League yale season ufike kuma semi-finals eChampions League ne league right now number 2 yabo iliga yaphili sekusele igame eyodwa for iSundowns I think sekusele 2 games or 3 games for Orlando Pirates yabo so izinto right now yena isizini yakhe ngokwakhe isiphelile isizini koOrlando Pirates uhlulekile kuyiwina neNedbank so ayikho into esele for uJose Rivero uthi ayidlalele so ucelile kwi-team uthi asheshe ashiye yabo cause kukhona i-team esekhulume naye yabo enikhumbulayo ngaphambilini seke ngakhuluma uJose Rivero sengakhuluma ngaye ngisho ukuthi kune club yale eEgypt enkulu kunawo wonke ama club akhona la eAfrica emdinga uJose Rivero yabo leyo club leyo isathanda kuxosha ucoach wayo lo coach wayo washawe eMamelodi Sundowns ngosikhathi bedlala kuma semi-final eCAF Champions League yabo uze umdlali weAl Ahly eshaye on goal yabo kwabu 1-1 iSundowns yafika kanjalo kwifinal yabo so lo coach lo waxoshwa lo coach Al Ahly bisifuna o coach abazokwazi ukuvala leso sikhala khona bezwa le kwiFIFA Club World Cup yabo kule list yabo coach abede bafuna kule list yalobo coach ati bafuna Jose Rivero name popped up yabo meliphuma igama la Jose Rivero they found out ukuthi Jose Rivero vele ekupheleni kwesizini uyashiya kuOrlando Pirates yabo lento leyi announce way back before Al Ahly izimxosha ucoach wayo so babona ukuthi no man this coach is a good coach we can approach ucoach Orlando Pirates yabo because they saw into aseyenzile ngoOrlando Pirates yabo they saw ukuthi le squad eOrlando Pirates adlale ngaso asinawo amagama amakhulu asinawo abadlali ababizayo yabo compared to iMamelodi Sundowns compared to iAl Ahly but he managed to take that team okuyiOrlando Pirates engenazo itayi inkulu ayibeke kuma semi-final without being beaten yabo abakazi bashawa kwi-CAF Champions League until kuma semi-finals so they saw ukuthi lo coach lo akwazi ukuyishintsha indlela iAl Ahly idlala ngakhona akwazi uku-add more titles to iAl Ahly yabo as they are the leading team in Africa enama titles kunawo wonke akhona la eAfrica yabo the Spanish coach bafune ukuthi azongena ezicathuleni zalo coach lo ade khona lapha njengoba sebeshilo igame yaJose Rivero yokugcina azoyicoach ile abazoyidlala ngolesithathu against iGolden Arrows yabo game abazoyidlala neGolden Arrows iyona sobe sigcina ukumbona uJose Rivero lapho angazi ngempela bafethu le indaba zinjani but ke mina angokwami angikho happy but ke kumele si-accept yabo because most days asitsho ukuthi uJose uyahamba because ukhumbula umndeni wakhe ubuya la eSpain nayo ke iAl Ahly sim-approacha isimnikeza umsebenzi umuntu ozoba ucoach after uJose sehambile siyamazi uMandla Ncikazi sekwabamba futhi after kuhambe uJoseph Zimbabwe so uMandla Ncikazi uyena amqeqeshi esingamethemba kulama games asisalele yabo after le game yeArrows yena coach esingamethemba yabo I hope uzokwazi ukubamba umsebenzi yabo ayibonakalise na mhlawumbe management imibheko coach ngaphandle imbono uthi hayi lo usengawubamba umsebenzi eyedwa yabo because usesebenzisana noJose Rivero kaningi yabo usesebenzisana no coach bangaphandle kaningi kuOrlando Pirates Joseph Zimbabwe wasebenzisana futhi noFaldo Davids yabo umnikeza iwisdom neknowledge usebenzisana futhi noJose Rivero so unayi make coach abaningi angakwazi ukuyisebenzisa lapho kuOrlando Pirates but ke I don't think Orlando Pirates ibingavuma umdedele kanjalo uJose Rivero ibingenayo coach isima appointile vele yabo I think Orlando Pirates vele usekhona ucoach yabo usekhona nje ucoach osekhona sekusele nje ukuthi bamu-announce mekuphela isizini yabo because if you remember Orlando Pirates kulama past 3 seasons ibiya le eSpain for ama pre-season tours yabo ibiya eSpain for ama pre-season tours kulonyaka lo ngeke iziye eSpain izoya le eGermany. Ngiyizi yeSpain izoya le eGermany. The reason why they went to Spain is because it was closer to Jose Rivero's family, so he can see his family for those couple of weeks. Yabo. So right now they are going to Germany. I think it shows ukuthi Orlando Pirates vele sebenayo direction yana. Yabo. They already know which route to go. Maybe it's another European coach who is a German coach. We don't know. Yabo, we don't know. All I'm saying is they already found the guy to coach Orlando Pirates. Ozoshintshisana no Jose Rivero, masehambile Jose Rivero. Singesazi ukuthi uba ucoach. Uyasho la uvelile imnyando uthi leading Egyptian media outlet iYala Karanau reports that Jose Rivero is set to arrive in Cairo this week to finalize negotiations with the Al Ahly. Yabo, Orlando Pirates announced this morning that Rivero will be released early. Yabo, coaching. So he'll be coaching his last game against the Golden Arrows. So yeah, that's the end of Jose Rivero with the Orlando Pirates. Yabo, that is the end with the Jose Rivero. I don't know what to say, to be honest. Ngezwa ngawo lapha kuma comments. Yabo. Ngezwa ngawo yena uyibekile induku ebandla. Yeah. That seems about it. The guy is leaving Orlando Pirates. Yes, we already knew ukuthi uyahamba, but we didn't know ukuthi uzohamba earlier than expected. Yabo. It's like right now he's leaving because he lost to Kaizer Chiefs. Doesn't leave a good taste in my mouth. I don't wanna lie. I don't wanna lie. Doesn't leave a good taste in my mouth. Yabo. He made bad decisions with game Kaizer Chiefs. He made bad decisions with game Pyramids FC. I'm not saying I'm blaming him, but some of the decisions he made really costed the game. Yabo. I-game nje bayibulalile ngokwenza lawo ma decisions abawenzile. Angazi noma uyena noma Mandla Ncikazi yini advisile, but yabo lawo ma decision ayicostile i-game, but ke it is what it is. I hope umjida uzofika lapha eSpain akwazi ukuba ucoach oqavile, ucoach oright ozokwazi ukuba buyisela kuma winning ways. Yabo. Nje awin i-Champions League because that's the only thing lapha Al Ahly abayidinga i-Champions League. Right now they need a coach ozokwazi ukuba coach kuma CAF kuma FIFA Club World Cup not qualifiers, but FIFA Club World Cup ezobile eAmerica. Yabo. So ngizwile kuthiwa kuzobe kunemali eningi Jose Rivero azoyithola nama bonus. So mingakwazi ukuyicoach le team le Al Ahly sifike kuma knockout stages. Yabo alapha eAmerica FIFA Club World Cup uzothola ama bonus amaningi. So yena uyayibona imali ukuthi ngempela imali azoyithola le kwi-Al Ahly izobiningi ngempela. Yabo. It's not an offer you can just refuse. It's not an offer you can refuse. They saw Jose Rivero eshaya i-Al Ahly with this squad Orlando Pirates esingenayo experience e-Champions League with no superstars in that squad. So babona ukuthi lo coach lo angabasiza. Sazike. Ungangitshela kuma comments imali noma ukudinwa nje ukuthi Orlando Pirates ayimenzelanga iqiniso kumsayinela abadlali ngoJanuary. Yabo. Singakhuluma kuze kushona ilanga sazi.